Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and benefits to help you decide which one is the right choice for your home or office. Let's get started. When it comes to ice production, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of bullet-shaped ice in 24 hours, while the Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 34 pounds of chewable nugget ice in the same time frame. This makes the Nugget Ice Maker a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. The SMUG model produces traditional bullet-shaped ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly, while the Nugget Ice Maker is known for its chewable nugget ice, which is softer and often preferred for cocktails and beverages. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience. Price is another crucial factor. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker is priced at a budget-friendly $69, making it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable ice maker. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker comes with a higher price tag of $209, reflecting its premium features and higher ice production capacity. Depending on your budget and needs, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The SMUG model is perfect for those on a budget who need a portable ice maker, while the Nugget Ice Maker is ideal for those who prioritize ice quality and production capacity. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like